guys, you're watching Cait Straight Up, and I am Caitlin, and you might notice something different. I am standing in my brand new kitchen, and I am coming to you from my new house. Yes, that is right. We recently moved, and I have this big, gorgeous kitchen now instead of being shoved in my corner, and I am so excited because that just means that we are going to kick things up a notch, and things are about to get even better here on Cait Straight Up. You also might notice that someone is joining me behind the counter. Yes, that is correct. I am currently pregnant with my first child, so yay for me. We had to shelve that wine. It's very sad, but soon enough, right? And we are going to have a beautiful little sous chef here to help us out in no time. So stick around. We have great recipes coming up in the next couple weeks and years for you, and I'm so happy to be here in my new kitchen sharing my food with you. See you next time. Bye-bye.